There's never a good day that starts with an alarm clock. Every day that starts with an alarm clock is a direct attack on you from So I wake up naturally, anywhere from 8 a.m. to, frankly, 10:30 a.m. I smoke 2 hits of a joint. Walk to a coffee shop. I get a nice vanilla latte. I read whatever book I'm reading by myself for a little bit. And then I go back home, maybe make a lunch. I'm gonna make us filet mignon, potatoes and brown gravy with the ham drippings. And we watch Miss Congeniality, fall asleep in each other's arms. Isn't that special?
I think that's my dream day too.